Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jason with Rubi-Red. This video is going to be about the infamous auxiliary battery for the Jeep JL and other vehicles too that apply. So, let me tell you about the auxiliary battery. As far as I know, the auxiliary battery is for the start-stop system, which I barely use. Some of you guys may use it all the time. Some of you guys may not use it at all. So here's the issue. The issue is, the reason why this battery is so infamous is because it kind of sucks. It's doesn't last too long. My first battery out of the factory lasted about, I want to say, 2 years until it just died. Actually, correction, about 2.5 years. Got it replaced, and when I got it replaced, it was good for about another year. And then recently, around late September, it died. So within a year of getting installed, it pretty much died. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Your main battery, an average car battery, depending on the vehicle, depending on what you have on it, so many factors, but the average is basically between 3 to 5 years. So 3 to 5 years versus a little bit less than a year or so. Yeah, it's pretty bad. This is kind of like an awareness thing. Keep on top of your auxiliary battery. Keep on top of your main battery. Now, when my battery went dead late September, and it's now late November, it pretty much disabled the auto stop start, which is fine. That's not detrimental to my driving, and I can care less about that. So I had that little A thing on the dashboard with the exclamation point just to let you know that it's not working, which is totally fine. I saw some weird things happening, like my headlights randomly flickering while driving down the highway, my main battery voltage going up and down, fluctuating between 14.5 volts to all the way down to almost 12.5, just going up and down, and hearing that humming sound, that high pitch and low pitch humming sound coming from just a Jeep trying its hardest to keep awake, which usually signifies the battery's on its way out. It came to a point where my Jeep didn't even want a remote start. And then that one day that happened, I went out to the driveway and I manually started my Jeep, and it took a couple of seconds for it to actually kick in. So, doing some research, it turns out that it's a common thing. When your auxiliary battery dies, over time, it drains your main battery. Not too sure exactly how that happens, but apparently that's a thing. Fast forward to today, I go to the Jeep Chrysler dealership in Ramsey, New Jersey, which is the closest one to where I live, even though I'm in New York. So I get out of work, I go straight over there on the way home, and I get the new auxiliary battery, the new Mopar auxiliary battery. So the guy grabs it from the shelf, puts it on the table. As he's about to swipe my credit card, I see this thing right here, and it says 36-month free replacement. And I didn't notice that the first time I got a replacement auxiliary battery, and I got it from a different dealership, but it's pretty much the same exact battery. So I asked the guy, hey, listen, what's this 36-month free replacement? What is this? What does this signify? What is it? Even though I know what it is, but I just wanted him to elaborate. So he said, basically, you know, it's under warranty for 36 months. Now, I don't know about main batteries, about your usual car battery, but to be under warranty for 36 months, for me, signifies that it's a crappy battery and it goes out a lot. And that's why they have to warranty it for a certain time, because these batteries get replaced all the time, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know about aftermarket batteries, but as far as these Mopar batteries that you get from the dealership that work in conjunction with your Jeep JL, your JT, or any other vehicle that takes these batteries, just know that you have a 36-month window of a warranty replacement if the battery goes bad. I see this happening over and over again, and you know, it's a good thing that no one told me about it. I just took a look at the label, being observant, and yeah. So with that, save your receipts, because they are going to want a receipt in order to reimburse you for, or just honor the warranty for the previous battery. They're also going to probably want, I haven't done it yet, but because I just got this today and I haven't got my battery replaced yet, but I'm pretty sure they're going to want the other battery too. And there's like a $20 fee if you don't bring the old battery back. I forgot what it's called, but it's on the receipt. But yeah, either way, bring the old battery back, the non-functional battery, and you'll get reimbursed 20 bucks on top of what you paid. If it's under warranty, like in this case, you're not going to pay anything at all. But just bring that battery back, because even if it's under warranty, they might charge you 20 bucks just for not even bringing the old battery back. So, you know how dealerships can be. So, yeah, the way my auxiliary battery went out back in September was we had a big storm. A really big storm and a lot of flooding. A lot of the roads were really flooded, and it was difficult to get through certain spots if you had a regular vehicle. With us lifted Jeeps, no problem, whatever. So I go to make a turn onto one road which was totally flooded. So I went to go gauge if I should just go bypass it, or if I should just, rip through it. So basically, I turned on one of my auxiliary switches, which leads off to my Mopar off-road headlights, my circular headlights that are up front. I turned it on to get a better view because it was 5:30 in the morning and it was dark and I couldn't see much. And it turned on for about a second. Then all of the lights inside and outside the Jeep flickered. And then my Jeep shut off. Yeah, I hope this video helped for anyone who's going through the same issues. I'm sure battery issues are situational depending on how you use them. But that's my story, and I'm sure that relates to a lot of people that have these issues with these auxiliary batteries. Alright guys, thanks for watching.